Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1, Video Number 5. Drowning in the rising tide of student loans. The ever-increasing cost of higher education is placing an increasing burden on students, leading to a staggering accumulation of student debt that now exceeds $1.5 trillion in the United States, second only to mortgage debt. This number is for the United States only and does not include other countries. On average, students graduate with more than $30,000 in student debt, more than credit card debt or typical auto loans. Surprisingly, this does not only apply to young people. Even older students seeking an education are burdened with debt. Over the past decade, people aged 60 to 69 have seen a staggering 72% increase in student debt. These statistics show that a significant percentage of college graduates are already burdened with debt, reinforcing my belief that acquiring higher education may be too much of a burden for many. But the question remains, what to do? Is giving up college a way to avoid borrowing money? The answer is no. Luckily, the fear of debt doesn't have to stop people from getting a college degree. By adopting certain financial strategies, you can progress in your college education while having financial peace of mind. Let's take a look at the next step in a student's financial journey: credit cards.